Hello students, now we will start 12th sum. That is, a motorcycle runs 31 whole 1/4 km consuming 1 liter of petrol. It means in 1 liter petrol, motorcycle runs 31 whole 1/4 km. How much distance will it run consuming 1 whole 3/5 liter of petrol? So we will write motorcycle runs in 1 liter petrol is equal to 31 whole 1/4 kilometer. So motorcycle runs in 1 whole 3/5 liter petrol is equal to question mark. So motorcycle runs in 1 liter petrol 31 whole 1/4 kilometer. So motorcycle runs in 1 whole 3/5 liter petrol. So in comparison of 1 liter of petrol, in 1 whole 3/5 liter petrol, motorcycle runs more distance. It covers more distance. So more, what we will do? We will do multiply. So motorcycle runs in 1 whole 3/5 liter of petrol. First we will write runs in 1/31 whole 1/4 kilometer. In 1 liter petrol, motorcycle runs 31 whole 1/4 kilometer. In 1 whole 3/5 liter petrol, it is more petrol. So in more petrol, motorcycle runs more distance. For more, we will multiply. So multiply by 1 whole 3/5. Motorcycle runs in 1 whole 3/5 liter petrol is equal to 31 whole 1/4 kilometer. It runs more distance in comparison of 1 liter petrol. So for more, multiply 1 whole 3/5. Now we will solve this multiply. So it will come 4 1 the 4, 4 3 the 12, 124 and 1, 125/4. Multiply 5 1 the 5 plus 3, 8/5 kilometer. So 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8, 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8, 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 5 5 the 25. So 25 to the 50 kilometer. It means in 1 whole 3/5 liter petrol, motorcycle runs 50 kilometer. This is the answer. Now students, 14th sum. Each of 40 identical boxes weigh 4 whole 4/5 kg. It means weight of one box is given 4 whole 4/5 kg. Find the total weight of all the boxes. So we have to find the weight of all boxes, means 40 boxes. So weight of one box is equal to 4 whole 4/5 kg. So weight of how many boxes? 40 boxes is equal to question mark. This we have to find. So weight of 40 boxes is equal to, first we will write weight of one box. So 4 whole 4/5 kg is the weight of one box. So weight of 40 box will be more in comparison of weight of one box. So for more, we will do multiply. So multiply by 40. So we will change into improper fraction. 5 4 the 20 and 4, 24/5 multiply by 40. So 5 8 the 40 is equal to 8 4 the 32, carry 3, 8 2 the 16 plus 3, 19. So weight of 40 boxes is 192 kg. Now move to the 15th sum. Out of 24 kg of wheat, 5/6 of wheat is consumed. From 24 kg of wheat, 5 upon 6 wheat is consumed. Find how much wheat is still left. Find how much wheat is still left. So wheat still left means 24 kg minus consumed wheat. So first we will find wheat consumed, or either we can solve in one equation. So see, wheat is still left is equal to 24 kg on the minus how much is consumed, how much wheat is consumed, 5 upon 6. So 5 upon 6 of which quantity? Of 24 kg. Listen carefully. Wheat still left is equal to 24 minus wheat consumed. So wheat consumed is 5 upon 6 of wheat. So 5 upon 6 of 24 kg. So first we will solve this much portion because of is present. So 24 kg, 6 for the 24, then 5 for the 20 minus 20 kg. So 24 kg minus 20 kg, 4 kg. So it means wheat still left is equal to 4 kg. It is the answer. Now students, 16th sum. A rod of length 2 whole 2 upon 5 meter is divided into 5 equal parts. So total length of rod is given. So we will write total length of rod is equal to 2 whole 2 upon 5 meter is divided into 5 equal parts. So number of parts is equal to 5. Find the length of each part, so obtain. So we have to find length of each part is equal to question mark. So here we can use one formula. So length of each part is equal to length of each part is equal to total length of rod divided by number of parts. So total length of rod is 2 whole 2 upon 5 meter upon number of parts are 5. So is equal to, first of all we will convert this mixed to improper. It means 12 upon 5 meter divided by 5. So this one is main divided. This will convert into multiply and reciprocal of 5. So see, 12 upon 5 multiply reciprocal of this 5, 1 upon 5, then we will write meter. 12 upon 5 multiply 1 upon 5 meter. So is equal to 12 on the 12, 5 5 is the 25 meter. It means 12 upon 25 meter is the length of each part of rod after breaking down into 5 equal parts. So length of each part is equal to 12 upon 25 meter. This is the answer. Next, 18th sum. Cost of 3 whole 5 upon 7 liters of oil is rupees 83 whole 1 upon 3. Find the cost of 1 liter oil. So what is given? Cost of 3 whole 5 upon 7 liters of oil is equal to rupees 83 whole 1 we have to find the cost of 1 liter oil. So this cost is rupees 83 whole 1/3. Cost of 1 liter of oil. First side is the cost of 3 whole 5.7 liter of oil. 83 whole 1/3 is the cost of 3 whole 5.7 liter of oil. So we need cost of 1 liter of oil. So cost of 1 liter oil is less than in comparison of 3 whole 5.1 liter oil. So for less we will divide. So divided by 3 whole 5/7. For less we will divide and for more multiply. So rupees 83 whole 1/3 divided 3 whole 5/7. This calculation we will solve. So it will come 83 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24. 249 plus 1, so rupees 250 upon 3 divided 7 3s are 21 plus 5, 26 upon 7. So rupees 250 upon 3 divide changes into multiply. Reciprocal of 26 upon 7, 7 upon 26. Now if any number is divisible, we will divide it. If not, we will do the multiply. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now no number is divisible, so we will multiply this. 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14 plus 3, 17, carry 1, 7 1s are 7 and 1, 8, 875 upon 32 is 39. Now we will convert this into mix. So see how we will convert 39 here, then 875. 39 to the 78. Remainder 10 7 17. 17 minus 8 9. Then 5. So 39. See 3 will come home. So 39 to the 78. 10 5 15 minus 8 7. And 8 minus 7 1. So remainder is coming 17. So in mix we will write rupees 22 whole 17 upon 39. See this divisor here, quotient here and remainder here. So answer is 22 whole 17 upon 39. Now students, move to the last sum of exercise 3C, that is 20. By what number should 5 whole 5 upon 6 be multiplied to get 3 whole 1 upon 3? So let the required number be x. So by what number should 5 whole 5 upon 6 be multiplied? Which number? 5 whole 5 upon 6 should be multiplied. So 5 whole 5 upon 6 multiplied by that number is x now. 5 whole 5 upon 6 multiplied x to get is equal to 3 whole 1 upon 3. So first we will convert mixed fraction to improper. So to find the value of x, that will be the number. So 6 5 is a 30 and 5. 35 upon 6 multiplied x is equal to 3 is a 9 and 1 10 upon 3. Now see here, x is equal to 10 upon 3. See 35 is in multiply with x. It will move to RHS, changes into divide. It will move to RHS, changes into divide. It means it will come here 3 multiplied 35. This I explain you in rational number chapter also. So it will come in denominator 3 multiplied 35. And 6 is in divide, it moves to RHS, changes into multiply, means it will come with 10. So 10 multiplied come with denominator 3 multiplied 35. Then 6 is in divide with x changes into multiply in RHS, so it will come with numerator 10 multiplied 6. Now you can find the value of h and comment your answer in the comment box. The exercise is completed, so we will start next exercise in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.